Isn't it lovely to be back where I am? Yes, it is. Hey guys, it's Andrew, and today we are going to be going over, wow, I'm rusty at this, we are going to be going over a new play button. Now, if you haven't seen the video, please, I recommend checking it out. This is the play button I made. I made it when I hit 50 subscribers, but right now I've hit over 100 subscribers, so I chose to make a diamond play button. It says on the back, "Congratulations, Cardboard Creations, for surpassing 100 subscribers." I messed up a little bit on the R in the congratulations. On the front, we have the cool little diamond, like, coming apart, kind of bent, triangular pieces all over it. Then we have the actual play button in the middle. And we have a kind of thick part. Then we have the back, which says what I said earlier. And we have the side. Now, this was made using, it wasn't layered, it was completely like a kind of a box thing. One of you make up a name for it in the comments. It's where we have layering, but we don't have a name for whatever you call like this, where you kind of like box the cardboard, kind of like something. You'll look at this, and you'll see how it's kind of layered, and you'll see that you can see the layers. Well, this is more like box. Really gotta come up with a name of it. If you guys can figure it out, please put it in the comments of the video. And yeah, so this is my play button, substantially bigger than the old one. We have that one. We have that one. It's a big difference. So if you did like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I do have a very special video planned, either coming out today or tomorrow, and it's super cool, and I'm excited for it. So I'll leave a link to that video once I've uploaded it. So if you did like this, leave a like, subscribe, and also you can check out my Google+, my Twitter, and the Creations playlist. It's a playlist of all my creations, stuff like that, so you guys can check it out. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys later.